Citizen introduces the satellite wave world-time GPS with the world's fastest reception time. It recognizes 40 time zones for worldwide accuracy, with the shortest charging time and longest power reserve of any satellite watch. Powered by light, any light. Citizen Satellite Wave Technology, the most accurate timekeeping system on Earth. Citizen introduces the Satellite Wave World Time GPS with the world's fastest reception time. It recognizes 40 time zones for worldwide accuracy, with the shortest charging time and longest power reserve of any satellite watch. Powered by light, any light. Citizen Satellite Wave Technology, the most accurate timekeeping system on Earth.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
I feel your work.